What's up, everybody? Dan Greer, Eclipse DOT, coming at you today from the beach, Idaho. So amazing. Did you guys get that? Did you get dizzy? Here, hold on. Let me turn it a little bit. Now you won't get so dizzy. All right. All right. Well, I'm coming to you today to talk about fun facts. So, like, in the mountains, we don't have as many seashells. What we do have is fossilized. Okay? Up here, down here in the coast, along the ocean, there's actually a ton of seashells. Go figure, right? Who would have thunk it? I digress. I'm just joking. Kind of. Not really. Okay. All right. So I was sitting here thinking about this, and I was like, man, I bet y'all may not know this, but down here, they actually use seashells as aggregate sometimes. So when you look at roads, when you look at asphalt, you'll see shells, crushed shells in those roads instead of like gravel sometimes. They'll be part of the gravel because it's as they mine it out, they get a ton of seashells with it. Super hard, super calcified. It's great stuff for roads. So when you go get asphalt, you get like down there, you're looking at it, you're all, wow, that asphalt looks amazing. It might have seashells in it, okay? Especially if you're in the road. Like Florida has a ton of seashells in their asphalt because they got ocean on both sides of them. I know, crazy, right? All right, catch you guys later.